Guys, welcome back to another video. So on today's video we'll be talking about 2025 fashion jean trends that you want to style this year. And before we get into that, today's code is all about silence doesn't always mean you have nothing to say. Sometimes it might mean you've realized that no matter what you say, it won't change anything. So let's dive into the video. So if you're interested in this kind of video, do not forget to like, comment and share this video. So let's get into the video. Today we'll be talking about 2025 jean trends that you want to put into consideration or that you want to style during this year. The first one we have on our list are slim straight jeans. Slim straight jeans are just those outfits that never goes out of fashion, and they are easy to style. You can style them for casual events, for work, for business trip. No matter what you want to do, you can be able to style them and it goes perfectly well. You can accessorize them and it gives you a classy and elegant look. So you want to put into consideration styling a slim straight jean this period. Also, when styling a slim straight jean, you want to style them with a t-shirt for casual events, obviously, or a structured blouse for business trips or business meetings, and you want to style them with pump shoes. Pump shoes goes perfectly well with slim straight jeans since it flatters your silhouette, it shows your legs, and that is what you always need, right? So you want to put into consideration styling a slim straight jean during this year. And now let's move to the next one. The next one we have on our list are white or off-white jeans with relaxed legs. For relaxed leg, I'll always advise you go in for straight legs. Straight legs fit every body shape and every body size, so you always want to opt for straight leg. But if you're comfortable with other ones like a boot cut or a white leg, it still goes, but make sure you know that it fits your body shape and your body size. So in fashion, knowing your body shape and your body size is very important in every outfit that you're going to pick. Now let's talk about the white or off-white jeans. White or off-white, first of all, they are neutral color, so they'll be very easy to style. No matter your blouse, no matter the top you're styling it with, it goes perfectly well, and even the shoes. So you want, for the shoes, you want to go in for a pump shoes or a striped sandals. This goes perfectly well. And for the top, you can be able to style it with a blazer, you can be able to style it with a t-shirt for casual events, obviously. You can be able to also style them with a structured blouse. This gives you a classy and elegant look. That is what we always want, right? Now let's move to the next one. The next kind of jean we are going to be styling this 2025 are cuffed jeans. Cuffed jeans give you a relaxed look, and this is perfect when you style them with sneakers. With sneakers, it's easy to style. You can be able to use them for casual outing, and it just gives you that elegant, simple, but still giving the classic vibes. So let's move to the next one. The next one we have on our list are, before I say anything, with wide leg jeans, you need to be very careful, because wide leg jeans have the way it fits a particular body shape and body size. So always know, I don't know, I need to be shouting knowing your body shape every time. Knowing your body shape and your body size is very important in styling an outfit, in being an elegant lady, right? So with a wide leg jean, you need to know which one fits you best. Is it the one that the legs are really wide, or the ones that are just wide, just okay wide? So you need to know what kind of wide leg jeans are you going to buy. Are you going to buy the one that the leg is really wide, or you're just going to buy a normal wide leg jean? Okay, so you need to know all of these. But with a wide leg jean, it is very comfortable. It is also easy to style, and you can use a wide leg jean for any occasion. So now let's move to the last kind of jean we are going to be styling this 2025, which is a fashion trend. And the last kind of jean we have on our list are demi skirt. Demi skirt they are coming back into fashion. Like these 2025 demi skirts are everywhere, whether the short, the long, the three-quarter, they are coming back into fashion, and you always want to style it. With demi skirt, it fits some body shape better than others. Okay, so you want to know your body shape and know the kind of demi skirt you are going in for. So demi skirts are coming back into fashion, and you want to put into consideration if you're going to be styling this demi skirt this 2025. So these are the list of the 2025 jeans that we are going to be styling this year. If you like this video, do not forget to like, comment and share, and also do not forget to tell me which of these are you going to be styling this year. Do not forget to leave a comment down below. Let's interact in the comment section. So guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.